How to use the time delay feature in the funnel and website builder. There may be instances where you'd like to delay the appearance of certain elements within your funnel or website. This is also known as creating a pop-up. This can be done using the countdown timer or the time delay feature within the funnel and website builder. Let's take a look at how to do this now. The first step is hiding the initial visibility for the element that you'd like to pop up at a later time. Start by selecting the element that you wish to hide. On the settings on the left-hand side, tab over to Advanced, and under Visibility, uncheck both the desktop and mobile version. Now you'll see that element is hidden. Step 2 is going to be adding the timer. In the top right menu, we'll select Elements, Add Element, and from the countdown options, we're going to choose Minute Timer. Here you'll see it's set to 45 minutes, but I can customize that here in the general settings, and I can choose to maybe have it be 45 seconds, or maybe I want it to be 1 minute and 45 seconds. Whatever timing I'd like that to be, I can update it right here within the minute settings. The next thing I'll need to do is create my expire action. What do I want to have happen when that timer runs out? I can have it redirect to a URL or show and hide elements. This is the option we're going to choose. Now I can choose if there are elements I'd like to hide or elements I'd like to show. Since we'd already hidden an element and we now want it to pop up or pop out and appear after the timer runs out, under this Show Elements section, I'm going to choose that element we had previously hidden. So this now means this section will reappear when the timer runs out after the 1 minute and 45 seconds has passed. You can customize any other options that you'd like here, and additionally, if you'd like to actually hide the timer, you can toggle over to Advanced and you can hide the visibility of the timer so that that minute timer runs in the background without actually showing the countdown. Of course, once you're done making any changes within your funnel or website builder and you're ready to use it, you will want to save your changes here in the top right corner. You can also click Preview if you'd like to view a preview of what it will look like. Congratulations! You now know how to use the time delay feature in the funnels and website builder.